What's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. I am out today at Lowe's. This is the first time I've been to the big box stores shopping for garden stuff. I don't really need much, but I did need some perlite, so I came and got some of that. And then this haul that I creeped up on is pretty dope, so let me tell you about it. But first, can y'all see this sheet of pollen on this car? Look at this. I don't know if y'all can tell. I can't really see, but it is absolutely ridiculous. That yellow stuff is pollen. So, you know, now I'm like hypersensitive. I have to wear a mask out a lot of the time because of my allergies, y'all. But you can still garden and have allergies. It's okay. Make a mask. Okay, so I have to pot up my citrus trees. I must do that. And I don't have any cute pots. I think I'm just going to use buckets for the season and then maybe move them once I get some cute little pots and everything calms down. But this must happen. So that's why I purchased the cocoa core and the perlite I purchased. These are like $5 bags, y'all. And it really does go a long way. I'm surprised, but you know, you use this for drainage. It doesn't have any nutritional value at all. But these were in these plastic bags when I came into the garden center. It was like something was speaking to me today. It was like, Letitia, take your butt on to the garden center. And so when they're in the bags like this, you get these half off because they're busted. Y'all, they're busted. And see, look at the bottom there. There's holes in it. This one, the whole front end is busted out. I don't know if you can see that, but the whole front end is busted. The bag is busted. So they'll give it to you for half off. I didn't have to ask anybody today to bag these for me, but if you're in the garden center getting soil, all you got to do is ask one of the workers to give you a plastic bag. They'll put it in a bag and put it in your cart for you. Now I just picked these up on my own because they were already bagged up, but I got all of this for half off. So I got these are two 1.5 cubic bags of raised bed soil, and I think this is let's see, 2 cubic foot bag of 2 cubic foot bag of garden soil, plus the cocoa core and perlite came to a whopping $23, $22. So I am ecstatic about this. The bags, the 2 bags here are like $9 a piece, $8.40 something. This one is about the same. So you need help, save money. No, thank you. I thank you so much for your help, though. All right. So I'm pretty pumped up about that. So just some tips: when you go to the garden center, look for the bags with holes in them. Okay, you can get them half off, or most places. I'm not gonna here. I can. And when you're searching for plants, I didn't look at plants today, transplants in their nursery, but look and see, instead of when you pick up a sale or you pick up a plant, look and see if there's 2 plants in there or if there's one, because sometimes the nurseries will overseed and you'll get 2 plants for the price of 1. Okay, so there's all kinds of different ways you can save some money, okay, and garden and have fun and have a ball and grow your own food. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all know I will. Love y'all.